Bitcoin, the word that changed money forever. In 2026, Bitcoin is no longer just a digital experiment. It's a global financial asset owned by governments, billionaires, hedge funds, and everyday Americans. But here's the shocking truth. Most beginners still don't know how to buy Bitcoin safely in the USA without losing money, getting scammed, or paying crazy fees. If you're confused, overwhelmed, or scared to start, relax, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin in the USA as a beginner, step by step, legally and safely, even if you have zero crypto experience. No hype, no complicated jargon, just real information that can protect your money and help you enter the future of finance with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know where to buy Bitcoin, how much to start with, how to store it safely, and the big mistakes beginners must avoid in 2026. So don't blink, don't skip, because this knowledge can change how you see money forever.
Let me ask you something important. Why are major U.S. banks, Wall Street investors, and tech giants buying Bitcoin right now? Why is Bitcoin being called digital gold in America? And why are financial experts warning that people who ignore crypto today may regret it tomorrow? The truth is, Bitcoin gives you control over your money. No banks, no middlemen, no permission needed. In 2026, with inflation, debt, and economic uncertainty still rising, Americans are searching for safe alternative investments, and Bitcoin is leading that revolution. But listen carefully. Buying Bitcoin the wrong way can destroy your savings. That's why this guide is built for beginners, to protect you from scams, fake apps, bad advice, and emotional mistakes. If you want clarity instead of confusion, knowledge instead of fear, and control instead of regret, keep watching.
So, what exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that runs on blockchain technology, meaning no government or bank controls it. In the USA, Bitcoin is 100% legal to buy, sell, and hold, and millions of Americans already use it as an investment and store of value. In 2026, buying Bitcoin is easier than ever. You don't need technical skills or thousands of dollars. You can buy Bitcoin using USD, debit cards, bank transfers, or even automated investing apps. Bitcoin is divisible, meaning you don't need to buy one full Bitcoin. You can start with $10, $25, or $100 and still own a piece of it. This makes Bitcoin perfect for beginners who want to learn while minimizing risk. But understanding how and where to buy it correctly is the key difference between success and failure.
Let's break this down logically and simply. Step 1. Choose a trusted U.S. regulated crypto exchange. This is where Americans legally buy Bitcoin using USD. These platforms follow U.S. laws, verify identities, and protect users. Step 2. Create your account and complete identity verification. Yes, it's normal and required in the USA. Step 3. Link your payment method. Bank account, debit card, or secure payment option. Step 4. Decide how much Bitcoin to buy. Remember, start small and scale later. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin instantly or using a scheduled strategy like dollar cost averaging. Step 6. Secure your Bitcoin. Either leave it temporarily on the exchange or move it to a private wallet for maximum security. Simple, structured, and safe when done correctly. Let's talk emotions, because money decisions are emotional. Many beginners fear Bitcoin because they don't understand it, and fear always grows in the absence of knowledge. The biggest mistake Americans make, waiting too long because of fear, then buying at the wrong time because of hype. Smart investors don't chase trends, they build positions calmly, consistently, and patiently.
Bitcoin rewards discipline, not emotion. If you treat Bitcoin like a long-term financial tool instead of a lottery ticket, your chances of success increase dramatically. You don't need to be rich, you don't need to be early, you just need to be informed. Confidence comes from clarity, and clarity comes from education like this.
Now listen very carefully. Bitcoin is powerful, but it is not risk-free. Prices go up and prices go down. That's why never invest money you can't afford to lose. Avoid get-rich-quick promises, avoid strangers giving guaranteed profits, and never share your private keys with anyone. Use strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and trusted wallets. Security is not optional in crypto. It is essential. The goal in 2026 is not reckless gambling, it's smart, controlled exposure to the future of finance.
Think long term. Bitcoin isn't just about today's price, it's about financial independence, digital ownership, and freedom from centralized systems. In the USA, Bitcoin is increasingly viewed as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Many investors use Bitcoin as a small but powerful part of a diversified portfolio. You don't need to go all in, you need to be strategic. Education, patience, and consistency will always outperform emotion and speculation. The people who win are not the loudest, they are the most disciplined. And now, you are one of them.
This guide is based on real-world crypto investing principles, U.S. regulatory practices, and financial education frameworks used by professionals. Always do your own research, consult financial advisors if needed, and stay updated with U.S. crypto regulations. Bitcoin is not financial advice, it is a tool. How you use it determines your outcome. If this video helped you understand Bitcoin better, like it, share it, and subscribe for more high-value finance content. The future of money is already here. The only question is, will you be ready?